We are learning more about a case that shocked the nation when it first happened back in 2020. A Florida woman back inside a courtroom this morning after prosecutors say she zipped her boyfriend inside a suitcase in a twisted game of hide and seek and left him there to die. Investigators say the victim, 42-year-old Jorge Torres, pleaded for his girlfriend's help while she laughed at him, and it was all recorded in a disturbing cell phone video that's expected to be the central piece of evidence in her trial.
Sarah.
That's my name. Don't wear it up.
Sarah, I can't breathe, babe. Seriously.
Yeah, that's when you do and you choke me.
Sarah Boone was arrested in 2020 and charged with second-degree murder 3 years later. After trial delays and going through 8 different public defenders, Boone was back in court today. So NewsNation senior national correspondent Brian Inton has been following this case, joins us live at the courthouse there in Orlando. Brian, what happened today in court?
Well, first of all, Nichole, every time you see that video of the boyfriend in the suitcase pleading for help, zipped up in the suitcase, it's so disturbing. And this was a very, very unusual hearing that just wrapped up here in Orlando. Unusual, just like the entire case overall. Sarah Boone, the suspect, once again, is not getting along with her attorney. There are big problems with the attorney-client relationship. It's almost like deja vu, because let's not forget, Sarah Boone is now on her 8th lawyer. And today she told the judge she doesn't like this lawyer either, said that this lawyer has, quote, a nasty attitude. Boone is accused of killing her boyfriend, Jorge Torres Jr. As you said, Nichole, there's the disturbing video of Torres inside the suitcase. He's asking for help. Boone claims it was this very strange game of hide and seek, that they had been drinking. She claims she passed out in her bed, woke up, realized her boyfriend was still zipped up inside the suitcase, and when she unzipped it, he was unresponsive and not breathing. But again, the issue now is the judge today, he's trying to schedule a trial here. She's pleaded not guilty, but again, she doesn't like the lawyer for the 8th time. This is the 8th lawyer. Take a listen to what she said in court.
I don't understand what it is that she has against me. I have told her from day one that her snotty attitude was inappropriate, and I try very hard to bear with her and her attitude. I don't know what it is that I'm doing wrong to her.
But at this point, we're at that impasse of, if she walks out of every conference that I have with her, I'm not sure what that says about the attorney-client relationship.
So the judge today set a trial date for the beginning of October. But again, just sitting through this hearing today, it's hard to imagine, Nichole, how a trial would work or happen, because she doesn't like the lawyer, right. Doesn't appear the lawyer likes her. They can't even sit down for a meeting or conference. So it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out. Does she get another lawyer? Does she end up defending herself? We're going to have to wait and see.
Yeah, we're going to dig into this later on NewsNation Now with the lawyer as well. Such an interesting, disturbing story there. Senior national correspondent Brian Inton, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.